My dog taught me this really good tricks. First, ready your slowed clips. Click the first clip, add one keyframe at the start and zoomed it in a little. Add another key near end and zoomed it in a little. Add one last key at the end and zoomed it out. Add quad out graph between the first and second key, then add cubic in on last key. On the second clip, add one key at the start and zoomed it in. Add another key near end and zoomed it out. Now add one last key at the end and zoomed it in a little. Now use the same graphs. On the third clip, add one key at the start and one near the end and zoomed it in a little. Add one key at the end and zoomed it out. Now use the previous graphs. Then go animation and add turbulence and set the duration to 0.3 seconds. On the fourth clip, add one key at the start and zoomed it in and one key near end, then zoomed it out. Then add another key at the end and zoomed it in a little. Again, use the same graphs. Now on the fifth clip, add one key at the start and one near the end, then zoomed it in. Then add another one beside the second key. Then add one last key at the end, then move the clip on the left side, then zoomed it in a little. Now add the same graphs. Now on the sixth clip, add one key at the start, then move the clip on right side. Then add another key near end, then move the clip and zoomed in and center the person you're editing. Add another key at the end and zoomed it out. Now change the graph of the first and second key to cubic out, then still cubic in on last key. On the seventh clip, add one key at the start and zoomed it in and add another one near end, then zoomed it out. Then add another key at the end and zoomed it in a little. Now use the same graph, the quad out graph and cubic in on last key. Then add the turbulence animation again. On the eighth clip, add one key at the start and one near the end, then zoomed it in. Add another key at the end and zoomed it out. Now go back to the first clip and click on Effects, then add Shaky Ripples. Now trim the effect like I do. Then adjust Glow and Atmosphere to 0, then leave the rest as it is. Now for the intro, trim the last part into 4 like I do. Now zoomed in a little, the first one and the third one, and set the saturation to -30. Now add white overlay, then trimmed it to 0.1 seconds and put it to every beat. Now add oblique blur effect. Then put it on every middle of the clips. Now add a keyframe at the middle, set both to 100. Then add one key at the start and end, then set the blur to 0. Then duplicate it into 2 and put it on every clips. Now add Black Flash 2 effects, then follow this adjustment. Now let's see the results.